Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss another sample paper for informatics practices. The general instructions are same, like paper will be divided into three sections, A, B and C. A will be having 2 marks each, B will be having 3 marks each, and section C will be having question with 4 marks, and there will be internal question, choices for the question numbers 1, 3, 8 and 12. Let's begin. First question, Adul, a network engineer, is required to demonstrate the features of a star and bus network. Help him to draw the layout as well as mention the advantage. So you have to draw the design, that is layout you have to draw. Also you have to mention the advantage. So what can be the layout? So in a star topology, you know that there will be a centralized hub. To that, all the other nodes will be connected. So to the hub port switch, all the nodes are connected directly. And because of the, what is the advantage? Very efficient, very effective and fast, as each device is directly connected to the central device. Whereas in bus topology, you know that there will be a cable, there is a central backbone, and at the end of the backbone, there will be terminators to absorb that extra signal interferences. And to this backbone, all the nodes will be connected. And what will be the advantage? Cheap and easy to maintain and less cable layout. And moving to the odd part of the first question, Arya is interested in knowing the difference between the terms hub and switch. Help her in by mentioning 2 points. So you want to mention the difference between hub and switch. Hub means what? It will be sending or broadcasting the data in to all the devices, and it's not an intelligent device. Whereas switch will be sending the data only to the intended node, and it's an intelligent device, or we can call it as an intelligent hub, as it stores the MAC addresses. MAC address means mainly access control addresses, and it's a 48-bit address, physical address. Question number 2, expand VoIP, that is voice over internet protocol. Okay. And question number 2, I can receive a signal and retransmit at a higher level so that the signal can cover a longer distance. So that means you will be amplifying the signal. For that purpose, we will be using the repeater. So we'll just see the answer, voice over internet protocol, and second one, repeater. Moving to the third question, predict the output of the following queries, that is select power of 2 comma minus 3. 2 comma minus 3 means power means what? First number raised to the power of second number, that is 2 raised to minus 3. So since it's a minus power, so what we can do, it can be written in max like 1 by 2 raised to 3. It is similar to 1 by 2 raised to 3. 1 by 2 raised to 3 means what? 1 by 8. That is 1 by 8. Okay, and you can divide it 1 by 8. What will be the answer? 0.125 equal to 0.125. And question number 2, select round 23,483.45 comma minus 2. So this is minus 1, this is minus 2. Your cursor is over here and the number is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So plus 1 has to be added to the previous number. So 4 will become what? 5. And what will happen to these two numbers? These two numbers will become 0. Okay, replaced by 0. Since minus 2, there will be no decimal part. So what will be your answer? 2, 3, 5 and 0, 0. So 23,500 will be your answer. Let's see, 0.125, 23,500. Moving to the OR part of the question number 3, briefly explain the purpose of the following SQL function, power and round. So power means what? It is that first number, it will return the function that is like that way, x raised to, that is first number raised to the power of second number. And this is the syntax. You will be passing 2 arguments, x and y. These 2 are the numbers. Okay, but if you can possibly write as a command also, example, you can write select power of 5 comma 2, then semicolon. That way also, that will be the best part if you can give an example as a SQL command too. Round means what? It will be round the number to decimal places, number of decimal places specified over there. Okay, and that also you just specify with an example. Fourth question, what is the importance of URL in networking? State an example of a URL. URL means what? Uniform resource locator. It is the address of the web page. It is used to locate the address of the website. And state an example, https://www.google.com or any valid address you can give on. Okay. Question number 5. Help Reshma in predicting the output of the following queries. Select first one, select substring. The string is given. Here this stands for the first starting position. Here this stands for the number of characters to be extracted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here I have to start. And from there how many characters I want to extract? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what will be your output for this calculation? Okay. In string means what? It will be returning the position of the first occurrence of the character. Character A, where is that first occurring? That position we will be getting. A is occurring over here, here, and here, and here, isn't it? So first occurrence is in this position. That is 1, 2. That will be the output will be 2. So first one is calculation, second one is 2. So you got it. Now question number 6. Gobi Krishna is using a table employed has the following column: code, name, salary, and department code. Okay, he wants to display the maximum salary department wise. That means he wants to use the group by clause. He wrote the following command. Okay, but in his code he didn't use the group by clause, but he's not getting the desired result. So you want to rewrite the query and justify your answer. So how will be your output? Select department code, comma, max of salary from employee, group by department code. That will be the query. Then what is the need for the group by clause? You know that summarizing the result. Okay, group by clause will be summarizing the result. Question number 7. Consider the following student table populated with the following data and display the average marks of the entire data set. So what is that function for getting the average mark? AVG. So select AVG, or in the bracket, what is the column to be passed? Marks from student, and display the total number of records in the student table. So what is that? Select count star is the function for getting total number of records. So select count star from student. Semicolon, don't miss out. So got it. Now, what is the odd part of this one? Select, consider the above table and predict the output of that. Select the sum of marks from the student where class equal to 12. So you can see class equal to 12 where these are the marks. So 482 and 470, then 389, isn't it? 3 classes are there. Add 3 marks, and what is the answer? That will be the sum. That will be the answer. Now select class, comma, count star from student, group by class. So you will be having 2 column, class and count star, and it's like you have to sort the data or group the data class wise. So each class, how many counts are there? So class 12, what is the count? You will get 3, class 11, 2, class 10, you will get again 2. So sum of marks, and you can see, you can write it in any order, 10, 11, 12 or 12, 11. How is the data? That's okay. Now, moving to section B. It's carrying 3 marks each. Predict the output of the following queries, like select month name, okay, of the date is given. Okay, so year, month, day format. This is the month, and January. 1 stands for January month, so it's month name. So answer will be January. Select in string, take work as a game and enjoy it. And what is the substring? You are checking the position of the game. Game is over here, isn't it? So you want to get the position. Position means you want to get the position of G. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 will be the answer. This will be 16. Make sure that the spaces are also counted. Next one, select right. Okay, and the string is given and comma 8, that is from the right 8 character you have to do. Okay, 1 2, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is the answer, strength. It will be written in the proper order, not in the reverse order. So your output will be January, then 16 and strength. January 16 strength. Okay, so moving to the or part. Consider the following table, that is vehicle, with the following data, and you have to answer the query like this way. Both of the following statements are giving two different output. What could be the reason? Select star from vehicle where per kilometer greater than 50 and per kilometer less than 100. Here, select star from vehicle where per kilometer greater than 50 or per kilometer less than 100. So here, two logical operators we are using and or. And means operator means what? If both the conditions are satisfying, in between only it will be returning. Here it is like either any of the condition only you have to satisfy. Or means it is will be satisfying any of the condition. Okay, so and or operator is used. The difference between and evaluate, both the condition must be true for the overall condition to be true, or evaluate one condition must be true for the overall condition to be true. That's what I told. That is, if both the conditions are satisfying, only and will return an output, but if any of the condition is satisfying, or will return an output. Now display the position of the first occurrence of AR in the attribute vehicle. You want to display the position of first occurrence. Okay, so what is that function? We have to use in string. Okay, so select in string vehicle type. Okay, vehicle type. You can see that's a column name, vehicle type. Okay, vehicle type comma AR. Okay, when we are writing the vehicle type, from the tables from vehicle. When we are writing this one vehicle type, don't put the quotation mark because that's the value. It has to be taken from the table. Okay, value has to be taken from the column name. This is the column name, no? So don't put the quotation mark, but here you have to put the quotation mark. Now display 12% of per kilometer rounded to two digits. So round function you have to use with the column heading calculated value. So what we have to do? Answer key is like select round in the bracket. What is that? 12 by 100 into per kilometer, comma 2 decimal place, as is the alias name. And what is the column heading told? That is calculated value, double quotes in the quotation mark, either single quote or double quote you can use, from vehicle. Don't forget, because this is taken, data is taken from the table vehicle. Moving to question number 9. What is the Sunil is confused with the following function: day and day name, month and month name, in string and substring. Explain the difference between each and justify an example of each. So what is that? Day means what? It will be extracting or returning the day part from the date past. Okay, day part alone. Day name means what? That is select day of now, means today's date, no, 5. So that from that, what is today's date? 5 only it will return as the output. Whereas select day name of now means what? It will be returning the name. What is today's name of the day? That is Sunday. So day name will be returning the day name of the particular date. Okay, day part. Whereas day will be extracted in an integer. And month also similar way, it will be returning the month part from the date passed on. Month name will be returning the name of the month from the date passed on. In string means what? Example also please to give. Then here what we will be writing, in string means what? It will be returning the first position of the first occurrence of the string passed on, substring passed on. Whereas substring means what? It is used to extract a substring from the string, starting from the given position till the number of characters asked to extract. Okay. Now 10th question, Alicia needed a clarity with the purpose of group by and order by clause. In a MySQL, you are required to write it with the suitable example justification. Okay. Okay, or group by close is used for what? It is used for summarizing the result, whereas order by close is used for sorting the data. And group by close, for giving the condition, we have to use the having clause, whereas order by close, we will not use the having clause. And by default, the sorting is what? Ascending order. And if you want to sort it in the descending order, you have to use the keyword DESC. Okay, and give one example also. So it is given same value where by ascending order it is applicable to when where to use. And even the group, along with the group by clause, aggregate functions are also allowed, whereas in order by clause that is not needed. That is not that much used with the order by clause. Section C, each question will be carrying 4 marks. So this is given. Consider display all the records. Table name is product and this is the table data. You know that these are the column names. Okay, display all the records of product except washing powder. You don't have to display this thing. So how we can give? So all the record means star. So select star from product where P name not equal to washing powder, not equal to, this is the symbol, exclamation mark, equal to, not equal to washing powder. Okay. Now display the product names whose price lies between 100 and 150. Both the values are inclusive. So select P name from product where price between 100 and 150. U price is the column name. So write that column name itself. Display the name and price of product. So two columns, P name and the price, U price. Select P name, comma, U price, who's from product, okay, where U price greater than 100, order by U price DESC, comma, U from product where U price greater than 100, order by U price DESC. Display the number of manufacturers without duplication. That means you don't need the unique value needed. So you have to use the distinct keyword, number of manufacturers. So select count distinct manufacturers from product. Select count of distinct manufacturer from product. Question number 12, Mr. Subhash, an IT manager of GEM Limited, has created the following table to store the records of employees. So these are the data. Write the SQL statement for the following. Display the names of the employees in uppercase letter who work in the sales department. So here the queries has to be written with the help of function. Okay, uppercase means U case or upper function you have to use. So select U case in the or upper in the bracket. You have to give what is that E name from where, from EMP where department is equal to sales. So that's the answer. You can see. Next one, display the name of the employee who joined in October. So select E name from EMP where month of DOJ is equal to 11, or you can write month name of DOJ is equal to October. Both are correct. Okay, month of DOB is equal to 10, or select month of DOB is month name of DOB is equal to October. When we are giving month name, mention the name of the month. If it is month, you have to mention that number. Display the positional occurrence of A in the name of each employee. So what is that? In string function you have to go with. So select in string bracket, what all you have to pass E name, comma, A from EMP. Next one, display from the name 3 characters from the second position of all the employees. That means substring function you have to go with, substring or substr or mid. So select mid in the bracket E name, comma, 2, comma, 3. That is from the second position 3 characters. So 2, comma, 3. from EMP. So these are the answers. 1 mark for each correct statement. Next one, or part is there. Predict the output of this one. Select pow in string of my database, this one. So first the inner functions will be evaluated. So what is that? First it will be in string function will be evaluated. So this underscore is in the position 3. So you got this one as 3. So select power of 3 comma 2, that is 9. You will get the output as 9. Is null and 0 are same? No, it's not 0. It is used to form. Null means nothing. There's no value, but it is not what's 0. 0 means some defined value will be there. Shyam wants to insert Sharma in the last name column of the EMP table as shown below, but an error is being displayed. Write the correct SQL. So insert into employee. Here you have to specify the column name. Here you have to specify what? Last name, values, and should be Sharma. Here it should be. So this should be reverse way. Okay. Now moving on to the fourth subpart, write the SQL statement to round of this number to 2 decimal places. So select round, then bracket this number you have to pass, comma 2, semicolon. Don't forget about the semicolon. Okay. Now moving on to the last question. RIT University has to set up its new campus at Chennai, and it has 4 department blocks named Block A, B, C, D for different functionalities. The administrative office is currently located at New Delhi. So these blocks are given. So you can see the number of computers available in these blocks. Okay, currently located. Okay, and distance also given. Based on the current information, do the question, connect the devices using a suitable technology. So you can draw those blocks. Okay, blocks are given, no? If not given the blocks, you can draw like A, B, C, D, like the blocks you can do. Okay, and after that you can go with the star topology. Star topology means what? There will be server. Server means what? You can have like you can have A, then you can have B, you can draw like C, okay, and you can have D, okay. When star topology means you want to find out the server, so A is having maximum number of computers, so from A you can join to other blocks. So this is with the star topology. So you have to mention the topology and draw that one. Even if it is not asked for layout designing, draw the layout. Okay. Name the blocks where switch has to be installed. Switch has to be installed in every blocks. Name the block server has to be installed. Servers has to be installed in block A because it is having maximum number of computers. That is the justification. Maximum number of computers. What is the type of network formed out of LAN, MAN, WAN between block A to C? So A to C you can see. A to C it's 1 kilometer. That means you can go with the LAN network. Within 10 kilometer you can go with the LAN network. So that is the answer. Okay. Thank you all. Keep learning. We will discuss or come with another sample paper. Till then, take care. Bye.